Good morning students, I am your teacher of math subject. Today we read about chapter 4. Name of the chapter is negative numbers and integer. First we discuss about the negative number. What the means of negative number? Negative numbers are if we write a number is 3 with negative sign, then we say it is negative number. This is 3 is minus negative number if we represent negative sign. Where we use if we say a number is below of 0. Otherwise we also can say if we have loss and backward or decrease some numbers. If we say below of 0, otherwise loss in anything, like if we have a fan and we sell it and we have loss of 10 rupees, so we represent minus 10. If here we have a number is backward, like if I say I win a match by 3 goals, it means if we win, it means we increase this number, so we write here plus 3. If we lose this number, if we lose this match, then we write minus 3. So negative numbers are represented by minus sign, and here also we can say by minus 10. These words are represent negative numbers. Decrease. If I say 7 is decreased by 10, 7 is decreased by 10, then we got it minus 3. 7 is decreased by 10, then we say is equal to minus 3. It means minus 3 less or minus 3 decrease. Understand? Now second topic is here integer. Integers are the complete number that will be counted. Like if I count, here we have 3 circles, then we write 3. So 3 is the integer. A complete number which can be written in mathematics, like counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all are integers. Similarly, we say these are positive integer, and we represent by Z plus. Representing of positive integer is sign is Z plus. Representing of negative integer like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 up to so on, these are negative integer, and we represent by Z minus, and we represent these numbers by Z minus. And remember that in the integers 0 is neither negative neither पॉजिटिव. 0 आपका नेगेटिव भी नहीं होगा और पॉजिटिव भी नहीं है. इट मीन्स 0 इज नॉट नेगेटिव नॉट पॉजिटिव नंबर. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग नंबर्स ऑन number line. In the number line we have a line first we draw a simple line. In this line we have a part, midpoint part, and mark here is 0. After this we draw using scale 1 centimeter parts like here, and on this side also. Then in this number line we write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 positive number on this direction and negative number on this direction. These are -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So this type we can represent any number on number line. Okay, these are number lines. Next topic is opposite number. Opposite number is that first if I say +3 here, then opposite number of +3 is always -3, and if we have -7, then opposite number of -7 is always +7. These are the opposite numbers. Arrangement. Okay, now if we want to write some integers or some numbers between any two numbers like -3 and 7, write the integers between -3 and 7. So we write -3 is here, then after that -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So between the -3 and 7 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers between -3 to 7. So we can write any type of numbers between any number, like in exercise 4A question number 5. Next topic, in these integers we say comparison of two numbers. Remember that in the comparison, negative number always smaller than the positive number, like -15 and +3. In these two numbers we say it's negative number and it's positive number. So negative number is always less than by positive number, so we represent this number by this sign, open side on the greater number. Here greater is +3, so this sign is open on 3 side, close on -15 side. Similarly, if we have negative two numbers like -12 and -7, in these two numbers remember that always a smaller number is bigger than the bigger number. It means here 7 is smaller than 12, but in negative sign we say 7 is bigger by 12. So here -7 is bigger by -12. Otherwise we also can represent these numbers on number line, like here 3 is here on this point and -15 on that side. So 3 is bigger and 15 is smaller, because 3 is here and -15 after that on this side below to 0. So we say -15 is smaller than 3. Similarly, if we see -12 and -7, then if assume that here numbers are -11, 12, sorry, -2, -4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So minus 7, we want to compare minus 7 and 12. Then minus 7 approximate here and 12 is here. So in these two numbers, if we compare, minus 7 is bigger by minus 12. So minus 7 is bigger, then we put this sign. So compare the numbers in the question number 7, exercise 4a. Next question, arrange the numbers. In arrange, we can arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. Ascending order, it means first we put a smaller number, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger number. So if we take an example like minus 2, 0, 3, 1, minus 4 and 4. First we separate positive or negative rational number. Here minus 2 and minus 4. Two negative numbers are negative. Then first we write highest negative number. It means minus 4 is highest negative number. Then after that smaller is minus 2. If 0 is present, then we write 0 between positive and negative numbers. Now in the positive numbers, 1 is smaller. Smallest number is 1. After that 3. After that 4. So ascending order of these numbers are minus 4, minus 2, 0, 1, 3 and 4. If we want to arrange these numbers in descending order, then descending order, first we write highest number 4, then 3, then 1, then 0, then minus 2, then minus 4. So we say this order is descending order. This order is ascending order. Ascending order or descending order. Now next topic is absolute value. First we read about what we read about. First is negative numbers, second is integers, then third is number line. Now next we discuss about ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order. Fourth topic is comparison. Fifth is absolute value. In the absolute value, if we have any number like minus 3, then the sign of absolute value is mod. We say it is mod by 2 lines. We represent this sign by 2 lines. Minus 3 is the mod. Then we say it is plus 3. In the absolute value, we convert the sign in always positive. If here negative, then it also plus 3. If here positive, then it is also plus 3. It means in the absolute value, we convert the sign always in the positive sign. So if we have any number like minus 6100, we want to find absolute value of this number, then we apply this sign and we write here it is equal to 6100. So absolute value of this number is 6100. Thank you students. Now You solve these exercise. Which exercise? 4th A. Today you solve this exercise and we will check after 15 days in the school. You submit your notebook in school. Thank you, students.